Welcome back, Future Medicos. Today we are going to look at Christian Medical College, Vellore. CMC Vellore has opened its applications for the academic year 2021 on 27th April 2021, and we are going to look at the details of the application and the prospectus and some of the important information you need to take note before applying for this college. Before going into the details of the application, let's look at some details about Christian Medical College, Vellore. It is one of the most sought after medical colleges in India. It is consistently ranked among the top 3 colleges in India. Maybe the top 3 colleges, I would say AIIMS New Delhi, CMC Vellore, and then the Armed Forces Medical College Pune. These are the 3 colleges that are consistently ranked in the top 3 across India. Take note that CMC Vellore is not a government medical college. It is a private self-financing Christian minority medical college located in the state of Tamil Nadu. It is not a deemed university. It is affiliated to the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. Totally, we have 100 seats for MBBS in CMC Vellore, out of which the admission to 99 seats in the college is done by Tamil Nadu Medical Selection Committee, while 1 seat is filled through Central Pool Scheme. Please take note that the 1 seat is filled through the Central Pool Scheme, not through the All India quota. The All India quota is different. The Central Pool Scheme is different. Please also take note that no seats are reserved specifically for Tamil Nadu students. So Tamil Nadu candidates do not have any special advantage in this college, and the seats are open to all candidates across India. Now let's look at the application. So all you need to do is go to this website, admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. This is the website. Here you go and click on undergraduate degree courses group A. So once you click, you can see a few links here. Download summer admissions bulletin. So click this one and download the bulletin. This is the prospectus for the year 2021. You can see here summer admissions 2021, and it is released on 27th April 2021. So we will look at that in detail. And you can also, once you go through the admission bulletin, then you can go to candidate registration. And there are certain instructions for you. I want you to go through in detail. And once you go through, then you can click apply online. And once you click apply online, then fill the details. You need to do the registration first, your name, male or female, email address. Make sure that you provide a proper email address. The email address which you will regularly access. So make sure that for all medical admissions, keep one email address which you will be regularly accessing. Similarly, the mobile number. Make sure that you give a mobile number which you will be regularly using, so that any messages that comes to the mobile, OTP will be coming to the mobile. In case at later stages, if you want to reset the password, again, maybe you need the mobile number, right? So make sure that you give a mobile number that you'll be using until end of admission. Give your date of birth and then click this button here, and then you can click on register. So once you click on register, then further processes will happen. But I'm not going to do that. You can follow the application form. I don't think it should be too difficult. Now let me go to the prospectus and let's look at some of the important details there. So this is the prospectus. Summer admissions 2021. So take a look at these important dates. These are the important dates. Online application start date 27th April 2021. This is started already. Last date for submission of online application with payment 15th June 2021 is the last date. Last date for submission of supporting documents. There may be certain supporting documents you need to submit. The Christian candidates need to submit documents like baptism certificate and so on. So those has to be submitted not later than 22nd June 2021. The last date for receipt of certificate from minority network organizations. Basically, this is your sponsorship documents that should reach CMC Vellore not later than 6 July 2021. So these are the very important dates for minority network candidates. All these procedures are after the NEET exam, after the NEET results. So you don't need to worry about all these procedures right now. Submitting the NEET marks, AR number, TN management quota rank, all these is after the NEET results. So don't worry about all these right now. And all these dates are not related to MBBS admission. So you don't need to look at those right now. Okay, while filling the form, you need a soft copy of your photograph and signature. So make sure you have the photograph and signature as per the specifications given here. The passport size color photograph should have been taken after 1st February of 2021. So don't use an old photograph. Try to keep the latest photograph and then try to use the same photograph throughout until admission. The photograph should be in light background, in JPEG format, not exceeding 80 kilobytes. This is the file size. And then make sure that it is 150 pixels by 150 pixels. So all these you can go and tell your photo studio person, and the photo studio person can do it perfectly for you. So don't try to take photographs on your own. Better to go to a professional studio and take a photograph properly, because photographs might create a lot of trouble to you at a later stage. And once you take a photograph, print a few copies as a backup. Also get a soft copy and save it somewhere so that if necessary, you can take further printouts. And then a signature. Once again, the signature, you have to sign on a paper and then scan it. It also should be in JPEG format and it should not exceed 50 kilobytes. And the size for the signature, 150 pixels by 50 pixels. This again, you can do it on your own, or you can seek the help of some online centers or photo studios. They may be able to help you to scan the signature. Application form for undergraduate college recommendation for minority network. This is a special category of seats available for Christian candidates who don't have a specific sponsor. If you have a specific sponsor, you can come through the sponsor, but sometimes you may not have a specific sponsor. In those cases, you can apply directly to CMC Vellore, and CMC Vellore can sponsor 2 candidates every year. So those category or those students come under UG college recommendation. That is category number 62. There are a lot of other details. You can go through those. I'm not going through each and every one here. Eligibility certificate, once again, you don't need to worry about it right now. This eligibility certificate is needed for candidates who have not studied in Tamil Nadu State Board. You have to get an eligibility certificate. You might have studied in Tamil Nadu, but if you have not studied in the state board, you need to get the eligibility certificate. If you studied outside in other state boards, you need to get the eligibility certificate. If you have studied in CBSE, you need to get the eligibility certificate. But this is needed only at the time of counseling, only at the time of admission. So you don't need to worry about that right now. This certificate will be issued by the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University after the NEET results. After the NEET results are obtained, you can apply this eligibility certificate. I'll provide a link to a video where I have explained how to apply to the eligibility certificate. You can see a link to that in the description below, as well as in the top corner of this video. Documents needed by minority network candidates. So if you are a minority network candidate, you need to produce these documents. One, proof of minority network category certification status. This is basically the sponsorship from the network, and then baptism certificate or confirmation, church membership, religious minority certificate, whatever, right? These 2 certificates are needed to prove that you are applying for minority network. And then the fee structure. The fee structure is very, very attractive in CMC Vellore. Even though it is a private medical college, the fee structure at the time of admission is just 50,000 rupees. The tuition fees per year is only 3,000 rupees. And then one-time college fee at the time of admission, 9,300, 23,605 is other annual fee. One-time payment to university, 14,000. So at the time of admission to the college, you will be paying 50,330. And subsequent years, that is from second year onwards, the fee structure is only about 31,000 per year. In addition, The hostel deposit is 10,000 rupees for men and then 8,000 rupees for women. Approximate living expenses per month is 6,000 for men and 6,000 for women. The mess fees is normally shared by the candidates who are staying in the hostel. So roughly it could come somewhere about 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, depends on your consumption also. But roughly you can estimate that on a yearly basis, you may be spending close to about 75,000 to 1 lakh for the hostel and around 50,000 to the college. So 1.5 lakhs is your fees that could come for the entire year. Once again, please take note that anyone who is joining CMC Vellore, you need to serve 2 years. So there is a service obligation of 2 years, whether you are coming under open category, whether you are a sponsored candidate, whether you are coming under the staff quota, it doesn't matter. All the 100 candidates who are going to study MBBS at CMC Vellore are bound by the service obligation, and they need to serve the CMC Vellore 2 years after completing your internship. This is Annexure 1. You can look at the list of minority network Christian churches or organizations. That is basically, these are the sponsors. You can look at whether your church or diocese is part of this. For example, Andhra Evangelical Lutheran Church can sponsor candidates for MBBS. Normally about 1 or 2 candidates per organization. So you look at all these, say for example, CSI Tirunelveli Diocese, CSI Vellore Diocese. All these are eligible to sponsor the candidates. However, look at these footnotes. Certain colleges, certain churches may not be eligible to recommend candidates. For example, Gosner Evangelical Lutheran Church may not be able to recommend candidates for admissions 2021. Similarly, certain churches or certain dioceses may not be able to recommend candidates for MBBS course. So look at this at symbol, and that should be telling you which church is possible to recommend candidates. You do not need to worry about all these computer-based tests. This is not for MBBS candidates. For MBBS candidates, only you need to write NEET exam. This is only for the other courses, allied health sciences courses. This exam applies. This is not for MBBS candidates. Similarly, MBBS candidates do not also write any Bible test at CMC Vellore. Okay, this is for the minority network category, code 62, that is UG college recommendation. If you are applying under the UG college recommendation to CMC Vellore, then you need to fill Annexure 4. So there are 2 pages in Annexure 4. Make sure that you fill those. And category 62 candidates, that is UG college recommendation, you also have to fill Annexure 6. This is also needed. This is related to ragging. I don't think you need to worry about it right now. This comes only at a later stage. When you are joining the college, you need to sign all these affidavit. You need to sign this affidavit, and then maybe your parents also need to sign the affidavit. All this is after you join the college, so you don't need to worry about it right now. Service agreement for candidates admitted under the minority network category. Okay, once again, all these may not be during the application stage. All these you need to sign probably at a later stage. So those are the information that you need to know right now to apply to CMC Vellore. If you have any specific questions about CMC Vellore or the application procedure, please leave your comments. I will try to address them as quickly as possible. Thank you. I see you soon in some other video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.